Okay, so I'm back at it again, the B5. So today's mission is to swap out this door, because you can see it's been very badly damaged, and someone just decided, okay, let's put some body filler on it and spray over it. So I'm sure that's a deep dent, but I'm gonna need to strip out the door and check what they did there. And this is the replacement door that I got from a buddy of mine. You can see it's pretty straight. It doesn't have any body filler or anything like that on the inside of it. If you look, you'll see there's no telltale signs of panel beating. So just gonna swap that over. And then I was busy with the lights. I've got two tail lights as well from him. You can see this one is bad, so I'm gonna get that swapped out, and then I'm gonna try and hit out this dent from the inside. And besides that, you can see, don't know if you can see that, but there's a new or second-hand dash in there, because the one that was in the car started to lift on the corners and in the middle. So that's the plan for today. And also I'm going to do a bit more cleaning, try and get more parts cleaned out. And then from the bottom of this light I've got this panel here, so I'm going to try and sand it down because it's a little bit faded, and try and check what the actual color was on this car. If I can get the same color, then that'll be first prize. Otherwise I'll just look at the color or the tag which is inside. I don't know if you can see that, it's over there. It's very badly water damaged, but I'm gonna try and get the color off that and get the original color for this car and then spray it in that.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Okay, so the door is in and it's lining up a lot better than it was before, but I just need to change the alignment on the hinges itself, because you can see over here it's not as flush as it needs to be. But yeah, it all looks quite nice. There's a few surface scratches here and there that I'll use, or that I'll get rid of, but other than that, not too bad. I need to line this up, and at some stage I need to get door blades. So I'm thinking of getting door blades that are similar to the 8L S3 door blades. They look nice, so we'll see if I can find those. Okay, so the next task that I've got to do is to replace the lights on the car with the set that I got from that buddy of mine. And these are actually in much better nick. This one here has a small little crack over there, and this one here has been through something, looks like, but they're in much better condition than the ones that are on my car. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these and pop those two on. I've already done the side. It's just basically 4 of these 8mm bolts, or nuts, sorry, one on each corner. It's a little bit awkward to take it out, but it can be done. So let me get started. Okay, so that's done. Got these newer lights in. I think this side's light was actually from not a pre-facelift but an early facelift model, because the cover on the inside, this cover over here, was different between this light and the lights that were on this car. So strange. I've never noticed that there was a difference before, but there's a little groove inside the light that these covers slide into that wasn't there on this one. I'm not going to put back these covers, because I'm going to use one of them to just get the color of this car and yeah, get some paint for it. So I'm going to leave it as it is like this for now, so that I can get that done. Okay, so the next thing that I wanted to do was clean out these pipes. As you can probably see, there's lots of corrosion on the inside of it. I just want to see if I can salvage it so that I don't have to go and buy new pipes at the agents or at the scrapyard. And the product that I'm going to be using is called the Oxidine. So it's a rust remover, and it turns the rust into a salt basically. And yeah, you have to use it with gloves, so I've got my gloves on just for safety, and yeah, let's give it a shot and see what it does. Okay, so after cleaning up the pipe with the deoxidine, not sure if you can see this, but there's pitting everywhere on this pipe, even over there, so this is gonna have to be replaced, definitely. It's too far gone. I wouldn't take the risk, put the whole engine in and then just to pull it out because of a few pipes that are rusted through. So I'm gonna have to clean this. Well, I'm gonna have to replace this pipe. Then I've also got this pipe over here that I'm gonna need to check for rusting on, and a few others as well. There's the cross pipe at the back over there that I'm gonna have to check, but that's what I'm gonna have to replace.